CRCL Stock Analysis and Price Predictions for Monday. Is Circle Internet Group stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of this down in this brief and short 1-minute video. I am the only guy in this page has done 43,000 videos over 5 years, documented them all, no one else, and actually shown you what's working, what's making money. With this in particular, 76 bucks it was at the time when I began buying. It was so sick because from 76 I was only aiming for 104, and then on this way up we took it up towards like 300. And especially here, the only thing that will make me be bullish, and if it's not met, you know, I'm not moving forward, is the second break on the swing one above 210. You know, you obviously have your own opinions, I have mine, but if this is not met, bro, then I don't quite frankly care. You know, I'm not gonna just immediately start buying here or whatever. I do have a lot of receipts with CRCL in the Discord, but it just doesn't make it just be an immediate buy, you know what I mean? So that's how this is looking like for me. This is obviously not financial advice. If you want to stay tuned with CRCL and want to get my free money-making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.